oven baked, delicious barbecue jerk style chicken. Now, we're baking this in the oven because it's not always easy, especially if you're living in temperatures like the UK, to have access to a jerk pan, but you still get a jerk inspired and very delicious chicken leg out of it. So I've started off by cleaning my chicken with some water and lemon, and then I'm just going to go in and season it with some powder seasonings. You also want to add some browning and some olive oil, and then you want to add your jerk marinade. So we do have a separate tutorial on how to make your own jerk marinade, or you can also just buy it from the shop. It is very accessible pretty much everywhere that you go. I grab some gloves and I then massage all of these seasonings into my chicken. You can take that away and marinate it for a few hours if you have the time, but if not, you want to pop it straight on a tray and oven bake it. So oven bake it for 30 minutes. Separately, I'm going to prepare the sauce. So here I've got some barbecue jerk sauce, some brown sugar, some jerk marinade, and also some water, and I'm just mixing this all together. You then want to heat it up until it starts to bubble. Once your chicken has cooked for about 30 minutes, you want to take it out and then use a kitchen brush to take that delicious barbecue sauce that we just made and slather it all on top of the chicken. Definitely be generous with your helping of barbecue sauce. You want to oven bake it for a final 25 minutes, and when you come out, you have this delicious chicken. It is so tender, it will literally fall off the bone and melt in your mouth. And it's actually super easy to make if you have your jerk marinade already prepared. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.